All right. Needs washed pretty badly. Oh. Let's see here. No oil leaks that I see. Just from doing the work. Good deal. All right. Check it out. Yeah. Red and full. All right. Oh wait, I better see if we got power. Do you guys really like these handles? You fucking bastard. Oh, hey look. We got power. And I forgot. I unplugged the buzzer deal. So we're not gonna know about that, are we? All right, let's climb in this bitch. It's been sitting all winter long. It's a little dirty. Well, let's see how that goes. Yeah. Might have a little bit of air bubbles in the deal, but not too bad.